Hello and welcome. I am Dr. Mohal Menkar, interventional radiologist from Ahmedabad. Today I am going to talk about the important subject, that is varicose vein developed after the deep venous thrombosis. In medical terminology, it's called post-thrombotic syndrome. In 2016, this important journal has published the guideline for prevention and the treatment of post-thrombotic syndrome. So, what is a post-thrombotic syndrome? Post-thrombotic syndrome is a condition which developed into this deep venous thrombosis patient, which leads to pain and disability because of the chronic venous insufficiency. In this journal, they have reported that approximately 50% of the patients who develop the DVT, later on they develop the post-thrombotic syndrome. And from these, 10 to 20% of patients develop the severe form of the post-thrombotic syndrome. That means they develop venous ulcer and the severe venous claudication. So what is the cause of this post-thrombotic syndrome? Thrombus, which is formed into the DVT, into this venous system, it damages the valves of the deep veins and the superficial veins, and these damaged valves will ultimately lead to this venous reflux into the deep veins also and into the superficial veins also, and all these damaged valves will lead to this chronic venous insufficiency, and that is the reason this post-thrombotic syndrome develops. Because both the system, deep venous system and the superficial venous system, are involved into this PTS, the symptoms are more aggressive and the patients suffer a lot. Not only varicose vein, but patient also develop the venous claudication, severe skin changes, venous ulceration. So all these things are due to this PTS. Now one important question, can this PTS preventable? Of course it's preventable. If the DVT is treated in early phase with different pharmacotherapy like catheter-directed thrombolysis or low molecular weight heparin or rivaroxaban, all this pharmacotherapy is very useful into the early stage of DVT. But later on, this thrombus become organized and this pharmacotherapy will not be useful. So to prevent the PTS, it is advisable to treat this DVT as early as possible. Now for the treatment part, there is no one solution fit for all the patients. It is very important to evaluate the patient thoroughly, and evaluation required two things. One is obstruction of the venous lumen, and second one is the reflux into this venous system. So thoroughly investigation of the patient, and according to that the treatment should be planned. For varicose vein develop into the PTS, it is very important that one should differentiate that these varicose veins is essential or non-essential. If these varicose veins are non-essential, then it should be treated with the endovenous cerebral ablation and foam sclerotherapy. It will give the fantastic results. But the essential varicose vein should be treated conservatively. In short, post-thrombotic syndrome has very severe symptoms and it is preventable if the DVT is treated into the early phase. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much.